channel. Hey, I hope that you're having a lovely day wherever you're at. I'm up and awake. I wish I had got up a little bit earlier. I got out of bed at 6 o'clock. I probably woke up around 5 o'clock, did a little bit of editing. So yeah, my hair, wild as ever. It's the morning. It's about 7 o'clock now, and I've got my whoozy what's it going right here. These are my tasks today, and it's gonna be a busy day. Oh, I need to write this on there. I want to make this for my stepdad today because I'm going home tomorrow to help my mom clean out her closet. Hydration. Here's your reminder. But I'm having a little bit of trouble, like, figuring out exactly how I want to. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired of my hair. Like, I don't want to get rid of the dreads, but I'm so tired of my hair. It's just, it's a lot. It's a lot. Okay, but what was I talking about even? Oh, right. I don't know exactly how I want to schedule my day because I switched shifts with someone. Like, my original shift, I would have been at work already. I am going to be working until like 2:30-ish today, but I want to go to the gym. So I don't know, I have maybe like an hour and a half to an hour of things to do. I want to do the fudge, but at the same time, I think my best option for me, because I can make this fudge anytime. This stuff is going to stay good at least for a year, you know? Anyways, yeah, I think I need to get some chores done. I definitely need to take my trash out. It's been, okay, and don't at me in the chat. I don't like taking out my trash. It doesn't smell. It's the winter. It's only 65 degrees in my house, so like nothing's really decomposing. Maybe I'm nose blind, but I don't think I am. It's been 2 weeks, a week and a half since I've taken out my trash, so that really needs to happen. I really don't want to touch the trash cans or the trash bags. It's an issue. It's a legitimate issue in my life, but I guess that's what I'm going to do. And then when I get off work, I think I'm going to bring my gym stuff with me to work. So when I get off work, I can go immediately to the gym, and then I'll come back and edit. I don't know. I've now been talking for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna go do some stuff. Cheers. That's unfortunate. Alright, I ran out of time. It's time for me to get ready for work. So I hope things happen after that, because the habit is laying in bed and getting energy, which means going to bed and waking up. Okay, see y'all later. It's 3:40 in the morning. I basically just woke up
So I got back from the gym and it was cardio day and it was great. And I did like an hour basically. So 15 minutes with a 5-minute cool down for each machine. I did the bike machine, I did the Stairmaster thing and an elliptical. And I got home and all I wanted to do was sleep. But I had so much to do. But I laid in bed and I did things that I could do while laying in bed, and then I went to sleep. But here we are. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is the best I got. I'm trying to figure out something for this, but
We're gonna make some 2-ingredient fudge.
we're gonna make it a 3-ingredient fudge. I'm making 2 flavors. I'm gonna stack them on top of each other. It's a peanut butter fudge, and what you need is icing and peanut butter, just like this kind, you know. And then I'm gonna put some chocolates in it. So I have white chocolate and I have dark chocolate. I saw Emmy Made on YouTube make this, and I was like, oh my gosh, my stepdad would probably love this. So that's what I'm doing right now. You need a spatula. There's so much everywhere right now. And we're gonna heat these up just so that they're liquidy, you know. I did no research whatsoever. She just said a jar of peanut butter and a jar of icing. So those are the big jars though. These are smaller jars. Into the microwave it goes. I'm gonna say like a minute. Minute sound good? Okay, in fact, 30 to 45 seconds was good enough to get this nice and liquidy. It's probably a little too hot if I'm being honest, but we're going to do the same to the icing. Yum. We're only gonna do like 30 seconds. Because it feels right. Yep, that looks right. Okay. We're gonna plop this into our mixing bowl. And I'm gonna try and minimize dishes and get as much of this out as possible so that I can put some chocolate chips and melt those into this bowl. I'm just gonna maybe like, it's that many. I'd say around a half a cup. That on 30 seconds. Another 10 seconds. Think it'll be ready. Now I'm going to put the peanut butter in with our icing. Melt the same amount of white baking chips. Maybe a little bit more. I don't think it's going to be an equal mix. But I have probably about half a cup. This was probably a little less than half a cup, honestly. And 30 seconds. While that's going, we're going to mix this concoction together. And it's supposed to thicken. I guess it is. I'm just going to try scrape the sides, the bottom, get this all uniform color. That doesn't sound like it should be popped. That shouldn't be popping, right? Give this a nice healthy stir. Gotta put this back in here for like 10 seconds. Oh, my hands.
peanut butter on. Okay, give this another little stir. So this is the icing peanut butter. We're getting like ribbons going. That's the consistency we have right now. And then I'm going to put just under half into the chocolate. So I want a cute little layer. And then we're going to put the rest into the white chocolate, which I'm wondering if I did it the opposite way, if it would be smarter. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. 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 It's really fudging up now with the chocolate. I have to put a little strength in my arms. But, so it's supposed to be 2 ingredient, but she tested the peanut butter with the chocolate, and then she tested the peanut butter with the icing. She commented on the textures. The one with the icing was just like a little too, like, it was fudgy, but it was more crumbly, whereas the one with the chocolate had more of a silky texture, and that's kind of, I want to go in between there. We'll go ahead and put this in here. And I think with the chocolate, oh gosh, by the way, I lined it with baking paper. So this is what we have. I got it all smoothed down as best as I can, and hopefully having this sit in there so long wasn't a bad idea. Oh, look at that. This white chocolate is definitely a little more liquidy. Alright. I'm going to give it a little whack. So you can kind of see I have a layer of the chocolate and a layer of the peanut butter. And this is what we have. This lovely peanut butter fudge. I think I'm going to just lay this on my counter until I get back from work. I've got to go get ready. I do have to clean up too, don't I? Anyways, so we'll give this a taste test in tomorrow's or the next vlog, or I'll tell you how it went. I don't know if I'm going to be filming technically today for a vlog by itself. However, technically I'm already filming today, so maybe this is a 2-day vlog. No, not really. But I'm going back home to help my mom clean out her closet and organize her clothing and stuff. It's been a project. She loves clothes. It's where I get my fashion love from, honestly. She influenced my fashion so much and continues to. Well, I was rudely interrupted by my 4 a.m. alarm. What was I saying? So I don't know if I'm going to be vlogging today. I might be skipping a vlog. If I do vlog, it's gonna be like super short. It's like very short. My parents don't want to be on my YouTube channel, which is completely fine. Okay, anyways, I've gotta go. Get ready for work. Oh my gosh. Bye, love you.